This is All India Radio, the news read by Valsa Williams. The Lok Sabha has taken up the discussion on the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 or Triple Talaq Bill. The bill seeks to declare the practice of triple talaq as void and illegal. Moving the bill, Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said despite the Supreme Court direction against triple talaq, the practice is still continuing in different parts of the country. He clarified that the bill is not against any community and religion and it should not be seen through the lens of politics. Meenakshi Lekhi of BJP supported the bill, saying the bill will protect the rights of Muslim women. She said the present government has shown the political courage and is committed to end the practice of triple talaq. She said the Indian society must have gender justice, adding that the government is ensuring that each woman gets equal rights and must not be subjected to any sort of discrimination. Mohammad Javed of Congress opposed the bill, saying the bill is against the Muslim community. Kanimore of the DMK questioned the government for hurriedly pushing the bill. Questioning the intent of the bill, N.K. Premchandran of RSP alleged that the bill is intended to target a particular community. He also questioned the government for taking the ordinance route in this regard. The discussion is continuing. The Supreme Court today asked the Centre to set up courts within 60 days and appoint sensitized prosecutors to deal with sexual assault cases against children. The court directed the setting up of centrally funded exclusive court in districts with over 100 cases registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act. A bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi, comprising Justices Deepak Gupta and Aniruddha Bose, said the centre would have to appoint trained, sensitized prosecutors and support persons to deal with the POCSO cases. The bench also directed the Chief Secretaries of States and Union Territories to ensure timely submission of forensic reports in such cases. The court asked the centre to apprise it about the status of compliance of the order in 30 days and to make the money available for setting up of POCSO courts, appointment of prosecutors and others. The matter has been put up for further hearing on September the 26th. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will chair the 36th meeting of the GST Council through video conferencing in New Delhi today. This will be the first GST Council meeting after the presentation of the Union Budget in Parliament on the 5th of this month. The GST Council is expected to announce its decision on lowering tax rates for electric vehicles, solar power projects and rationalization of GST rates on lottery. In its last meeting, the GST Council had approved the use of Aadhaar by businesses to register under GST and the imposition of a penalty of up to 10% on entities not passing on benefits of GST rate cuts to consumers. Credibility and trust are the most distinguished aspects of Doordarshan and AIR. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said this while inaugurating the state-of-the-art video walls at Doordarshan Kendra in New Delhi today. He said credible and positive news should reach people without any delay, and DD News and AIR have a great role to play in it. The I&B Minister also congratulated Doordarshan for the live coverage of Chandrayaan-2 launch from Sriharikota. Mr. Javadekar said the Prime Minister is very keen on public broadcasting and his program Mann Ki Baat has now become a brand in itself. The Bihar government has issued a flood alert in view of heavy rains in catchment areas of Nepal. The flood situation has further deteriorated following increase of water level of Bagmati, Kamla Balan, Buri Gandak and Adhwara group of rivers. The India Meteorological Department has warned of heavy rainfall at isolated places over northern parts of the country, including Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and western Uttar Pradesh from today. The US Trade Commission has filed a lawsuit against UK-based data company Cambridge Analytica CA, accusing it of adopting deceptive tactics to obtain personal information of Facebook users. The development comes a day after the Commission imposed a whopping $5 billion fine on the social media giant for privacy violations. CA has also agreed to submit itself to new restrictions and a modified corporate structure that will hold the company accountable for the decisions it makes about its users' privacy. And with that, we end this news bulletin.